Hey everyone, my name's Dirk Dog, and I just want to make a let's play of will you press the button, and and this might be my last video for a while, cause after this I might take a break for a while, after spring break, so I can do like relax, and also thank you for all the 200 subs, and I know that that means a lot to me, but um. Anyway, so the first question is now, you live in the world of your favorite book, but you're the villain. That one's gonna be a little difficult because if I go to my favorite book ever, but I'll be the villain, uh, but I would be easily visit my favorite people inside that book, but I'd hurt them. When I hit it, only 60% of people press the button. Oh, and 40% didn't. That was good. You can have the perfect body whenever, whenever that is for you, but you can never eat again. Well, if I have the perfect body, I won't be able to do um, like I would die having a good body, so I would not. Only 41% out of 59 said you get any one wish granted, but so does every other living person. I'll take that. I'll take press button. 57% will press it, but 43% will not. Um, you get Germany Cl- Clarkson job, but as top gear pres- prisoner, but wherever you go, people only want want to talk to you about ears, nothing else. Well, I don't know that much about Jeremy Clarkson. Jeremy Clarkson. Oh, I think I don't know. It'd be kind of weird though because I'd be that I would not press the button. Okay, I got 28 people will press it, but 72 people. So I don't know why. I have no comment on that. Every time you laugh, a person is cursed is cure of cancer. But you only laugh 100 times ever. So if I laugh 100 times, then so if I reach to 100, a lot of people will be cured for cancer. So that'd be good. So I'll press it. Okay, out of 52 people will press it, and 48 people will. You will never get another ad on the internet ever again, but you can only use Internet Explorer for the rest of your life. Well, I don't really care about the ads that much, so I would not. 48 people will press it, press the button, but 58 people. Okay, I want to stop right here. If you have no more ads, that means you can if you will um like you never but Internet Explorer has a bunch of like slowed down a lot. Like what happens if you're super in a rush and and Internet Explorer would go down. You will get one. That's a lot of money for of a day, but it will begin to happen once all your friends and family are dead. Well, that one's really difficult. Some of my friends are kind of really difficult, so I'll press that button. 41%. Whoa, now I feel like an asshole. Man, that was okay. I deserve that. You get $2,000 a day, but you have to go to the bathroom 10 times every day. Well, if I get $2,000 each day, but I'll be rich though, so I'll take it. 82% people will press it out of 18. Come on. Okay. Pressing the button. Pressing the button is forbidden, but nothing will happen, and no one will know if you do press it. Well, I'll take that because if I was forced to press the bomb or something like that, I would do it. 82%. Okay, same thing again. 82 people will press the button, and 18% will not. You will get your dream car, and you don't have to worry about petrol, or any mention that works. But you can only drive it with the person you hate most of the passenger seats on the passenger seat. Well, who says that maybe I can be his friend and change the guy I hate to a guy I might like, see what the problem is, then I can change the guy to good. I'll press it. Besides, I don't really care. 34. Whoa. 39 people will press it, and 61% deny. Really? You can have many girlfriends slash boyfriends, but you need to make them all feel happy all the time. Well, that is kind of difficult because I already have one, so I won't. 42% people will press the button, but 58% people did not. Okay, that was good. Alright, this one's the last one ever. You become rich, and this one's for everyone else. You become rich and incredible charming, but every time you get laid, a gang of fat bikers beat you up. But would you press a button? Cause I won't, because I don't want to get beat up every single time when I do that. Like, it's not worth it getting beat up, even you get like charming and getting money. So it's up to you guys. To everyone else, would you press the button or no? So this will be the end of the video. So like, comment, subscribe for many more. And this might be, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.